Okay, hello fellow Binanceans, how are you doing today? So Binance has another learn and trade competition. Okay, so this time it's learn and trade ramp. So we've got 6 days to for the activity to end. So you simply click on register now and it should say registration successful. That's if you've logged in, obviously. Okay, and simply go down. Let's have a look at the activity rules. So promotion A, learn and earn $70,000 in prize pool in ramp tokens. During the activity, users who trade ramp finish watching the ramp introduction video and take the quiz in this form, which we'll do in a minute, will share a prize pool of $70,000 in ramp token vouchers. Okay, so reward one, all users who trade 1,200 ramp or more, including both buys and sells in the eligible ramp trading pairs and participate in taking the quiz, see if I can speak properly, will be qualified to share the prize pool of 20,000 in ramp token vouchers. Okay, so rewards will be distributed based on the total number of correctly answered questions as a proportion of all correctly answered questions by all qualified users. So, okay, so that's the reward calculation. And so that's the first reward. Reward two, all users who trade 10,000 ramp or more, okay, and take the quiz will be qualified to equally share the prize pool of 50,000 in ramp tokens or more. Okay, so the first one is trade 1,200. So if you can trade 10,000 more, you'll get access to a share of $50,000 rather than $20,000. Okay, so promotion B, sharing 80,000. Okay, so you have to trade more than 30,000 ramp to get a share in this. And if you want to try and finish in the top 10, then you obviously don't know how many you're going to have to trade. You're going to have to trade a lot more. Probably going to have to trade like $1 million worth of USDT. Now, all of the qualified participants qualify for a challenge where 20 winners will be selected based on the rules to each win 1,000 in ramp token vouchers, excluding these top 10 winners. So you'll have however many people are entering, there'll be 20 winners and you'll have a chance. So it'll be a lucky dip, basically. So you're going to need at least 30,000 ramp for that. So you're going to have to do at least 1,200 ramp for the basic, 10,000 for the next one, and then over 30,000 if you also want a chance at winning $1,000 in ramp. So it depends on what you want to do. Now, the ramp trading pairs are ramp USDT and ramp BTC. So I've never traded in BTC, well, not properly traded, okay, in BTC and anything really, but USDT, you end up going to have to pay a fee. So that's the downside of that. So ramp USDT, you'll end up paying the fee, whatever it is. So it's 0.01% or 0.0075% if you've got BNB turned on. So try to trade, you're basically buying the dips and then sell it higher, and then that way you're still making a profit and getting your trades in as well. So let's do the quiz then. So click on that, go down a little bit, stick in the answer of so this is my Binance user ID. You'll have to put in yours. You simply go up to the dashboard. Okay, you simply go up to the up to here, go up to the dashboard and find it in the dashboard. So what is the size of the ramp liquidity incentive program on Binance Smart Chain? Okay, so that is 40 million ramp. How can users earn from Ramp's USD 60M liquidity incentive program? That would be A, mint RUSD on the Ramp platform. What are the key benefits of the Ramp platform? Okay, so all of the above. What is the minimum collateralization ratio for users on Binance Smart Chain? That's 135%. what is the liquidation ratio for users on the Binance Smart Chain? And that is 130%. And then you simply submit the form. Okay, and then we're good to go. So now it's just a matter of trading. So good luck, guys, on that. Hope you can win some free money, basically.